Top 5 benefits of installing an automatic car wash machine for your garage. I have a customer who runs a manual car wash and is constantly busy washing cars, whipping them down, managing stock, waiting customer, and then washing again. He says, car washing still make money, but I'm busy like a bee every day, and at the end of the month, the profit is minimal, and the staff are always taking time off. Until he decided to invest in an automatic car wash machine. After 2 months of operation, he said just one thing. Now I understand what it means to be a business owner, not just a car washer. First, benefits. Save time, increase productivity 3 to 4 times. If you run a garage or car wash, you surely understand. A manual car wash usually takes 30 to 45 minutes, not including drying and interior cleaning. With an automatic car wash system, the entire process only takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Just try multiplying that. A manual wash can wash 3 to 4 car wash per hour, while an automatic wash can wash 10 to 12 cars. Third, productivity is increased 3 to 4 times, while labor costs are reduced to 1/3. Instead of hiring 4 to 5 people, now only 1 to 2 people are needed to operate the machine, gently drive the car, and guide customer. And the best part, the machine does not get tired, does not rest, and does not demand a rise. So the garage always operates smoothly and stably without depending on staff. The second benefit, creating a professional impression and attracting customers. Customers now don't just care whether their car is clean or not. They also care about the service experience. Imagine this, 2 shops on the same street, a manual car wash with staff holding hose and spraying water haphazardly. On the other hand, customers see an automatic car wash system with bright light, spraying white foam, rotating brushes, and high-pressure nozzles working smoothly. Which shop will the customer choose? You probably already know the answer. An automatic car wash is not just equipment, it is the brand face of a shop. When customers see a modern garage, they feel secure, confident, and want to return. And if your garage offers additional service like car repairs, oil change, vacuuming, seat cleaning, then the automatic car wash is just a powerful customer magnet, making it much easier to sell those additional services. The third benefit, reduced labor costs, easier operation. To be honest, the most tiring part of the car wash business now is managing people. Recruiting staff is difficult, retaining them is even harder. Sometimes a little business means you have time a break and you can't keep up with the customer. An automatic car wash machine solves all the problems. Only require one person to operate it, guide customers, collect payment, and monitor the machine. No more worry about employees being late every morning. No more business lunchtime with too many customers to wash car. No more sitting idle in the afternoon when it's rain. The machine operates softly, just regularly cleaning and a quick check at the beginning of the day are enough to ensure smooth operation. That's why many garage owners say, since I installing the machine, I finally have time to rest. Before, I always had to manually wash the car with the hose and my pulleys. 4 benefits, one-time investment, long-term operation, stable profits. Many people are afraid to invest in an automatic car wash machine because they heard that the initial investment is high. But if you consider it carefully, this is an extremely worldwide investment. The initial cost for an automatic car wash system currently range from $18,000 to $30,000, depending on the garage size and chosen technology. The average lifespan of the system is 8 to 10 years. Maintenance is easy and costs are low, and especially once the garage operates stably, the initial investment is recouped quickly within 3 to 6 months. After which it becomes entirely profitable, while the quick return on investment, because the machine increases the number of car washes per day, reduces labor costs, and most importantly, is extremely effective at retaining customers. Customer business ones are impressed and return regularly. In other words, a one-time investment, a steady return for 10 years. It's not just a car wash machine, but a stable, low-risk business model currently available. Fifth benefits, easy to expand, create a chain, franchise. If you have a long-term vision, an automatic car wash is not just a single shop, but can absolutely become a modern chain of shops, just like how coffee shop or hair salon expand their business. Why? Automatic car washes operate according to a fixed process. not depend on skill level, easy to standardize, easy to replicate, and especially a strong, memorable, and easy to communicate brand image. Once your first stop is running smoothly and recoup its investment quickly, opening a second and third stop is almost as easy as cloning. This is the direction many large investors are pursuing. A modern chain automatic car washes, its location only requires 1 to 2 people to manage, making operation extremely easy. If you want your garage to be cleaner, faster, more professional, less dependent on staff, increase daily capacity, and stand out from the surrounding garage, then the Go&Go automatic car wash machine is very suitable investment option for 2025. Contact Go&Go now for more detailed advice and support. More information about business model.